video before I head up to work. So as soon as I opened my email this morning and I noticed this, if you order this miter saw, you get a free stand, and the stand itself is worth $199 value. So I ordered stuff from this website before, Acme Tools. So as you can see here, the latest model for this DEWALT miter saw is DWS 780, and even though it says like currently out of stock, you can always order them and then it's gonna arrive. And this one right here is, once you click on this one, it'll include the stand, okay, worth $199. So you're looking at about $798. That's not including tax, but it's now you get it for free, so $599. And I just did a real quick check on on Amazon as well to see how much it's actually worth. Everywhere is selling for $599. Okay, so same model and everything. This is just the miter saw itself, and I did check on Home Depot as well. Home Depot sell the same miter saw with the stand, come out to be $798. So off the back, you're saving $200 just for the stand. For those of you who are in the market for the miter saw, why not take advantage of the free stuff? Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. So I'm not going into too much detail about the saw itself. I'm gonna list in the descriptions because I'm gonna head out to work. Okay, enjoy the saving. If you like the video, give it a like. If you want more videos like this, click on the bell notifications. And if you really love the savings and love the videos, make sure you subscribe, guys. It's gonna help out the channel a ton. Thank you very much, and have today's Tuesday, so make sure you guys go vote. Okay, make your voice counted. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.